It's me, Cashni, the one and only.
She independent in her bag, oh, I love that. She made these other bitches mad, oh, I love that, I love that, I love that.
Hey y'all, so y'all read by the title, this is going to be an apartment tour. Y'all, this is my first apartment I've ever had in my life, and when I tell you I could cry right now, I already done cried, but every time I think about it, I just literally get chills. I know it's an echo, I ain't got no furniture in here, but we're gonna start off first by giving y'all a tour. Let's go. When you first come in, this is the living room area, and I love the fact that this unit specifically has indoor speakers. So yeah, we definitely gonna rock out with our cock out. And then this is the kitchen area. As y'all can see, everything is new appliances. This is like the little island countertop that they have. So I do think I want to get like some counter stools, not no bar stools, like some counter stools. I think that would be cute. And then as you go over here into the kitchen, this is the little storage area. And this is basically all the stuff that I got from Dollar General, because we are gonna clean, well, I am gonna clean and wipe everything down. Even though this is a brand new apartment complex, I'm still gonna like do my finished touches. So this is everything that I got, and we're gonna clean in a second or wipe everything down. This is my pantry area, and child, I would have all the snacks. But we're gonna make sure to give it a good wipe down. And this is the freezer. I did go and put in some cake that I got from my move-in gifts. Shout out to my sister. But yeah, this is the refrigerator. This is the freezer. So I never had a freezer like this before, so I'm super, super, super excited. This is the microwave and the stove, as y'all can see. And there's got space to do everything I need to do. Focus. Period. Nice counter spaces. Yeah. And they're super hot. Now this is like a little hallway area, and this is where my washer and my dryer is at. And that's like my little heater pump, heater tank. The fact that everything's brand fucking new. This is the bathroom. Round of applause for this LED mirror. Every girl loves this type of mirror. But this is the little tub area, and where the toilet is at. Nice tub, nice toilet. And then you turn this way, this is my little closet area. Or this is actually the only closet that I have in this whole apartment, which is crazy. Because even though it is like a decent size, I just know like I'm gonna accumulate a lot of shit. So yeah, I might have to get some dressers. But over here, this is just more storage area where like my linens, paper towels, toilet papers, and all of the goodies probably go in there. I don't know. But y'all can see too, I still got cabinet space. So yeah. Ooh, baddie. Y'all like my new Coach bag? I got this in Vegas at the Vegas outlet. And wait, we gotta just do a round of applause for the bag. Do y'all see this? Coach popped their biggest shit when they made this. And this is my first ever snake print bag. And it's safe to say I love it. From the bathroom, we go to the bedroom. This is the master bedroom, so this is gonna be primary, like where I have all of my stuff decked out. As y'all see, I have the 2 open windows, and again, this might be the space where I put my TV at. I don't know, we gonna do the process of decorating it all together. But this is my bedroom space. Like, this is a good area so I can finally just have my bedroom, so that is a plus. Then when you come back out, walk through the living room, this is my content area. Now this is where all of my content creation is gonna happen, and like my vanity and like all the lights and backdrops and LEDs. I'm gonna put all of that stuff right here. So this is this little space. We have my balcony area. This is the balcony. This is the little chair that I got out here already. This is my little balcony. So yeah, and this leads back into my house. I did move in on the 8th of December, which I know my birthday was Wednesday, and I feel so bad because this was the first time that I didn't film no birthday footage, but in real life, like, I had a ball. But anyways, I moved in on the 8th, and I did come in and bomb it. So these are the little bugs that I see that was left, even though these are like brand new apartments. Let me see. As y'all can see, it's like little nets or whatever the fuck. But they're all like by the windshield. Like, I don't see any on the floor, and I bombed it and waited 24 hours to come back. So that's why I'm here on the 10th. I want to say, if you're one of them people that you think that God doesn't hear you or God forgot about you, I want to simply let you know that that's simply not true. And also just know, like, what's for you is going to be for you. Don't overthink it. Don't self-doubt yourself. Don't get in your head. Don't allow depression to creep in. Just stay focused and do the work. Do the work. Write it down. Meet God halfway, and God gonna do the rest. Like, if you want it, it's short. Also, this book right here, though, it changed my life. I feel like I was able to get this apartment. I mean, how manifestation truly do work. So this is what, August? Yes, this is August 26, 2025. I'm enjoying my new apartment. I'm enjoying my new apartment. And then I wrote it because I'm like, no, I'm enjoying living in my new apartment. But 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, 9 times in the evening. This right here literally changed the way that I look at manifestation, but also myself and my dreams, my goals. Like, it really keeps me grounded into knowing, like, if you really want it, it's possible and it's yours. So write it down, do the work, pray over it, sage over it, meditate over it, and just do what you gotta do. That's all you really can do. Don't try to go out your way. Don't try to control the situation. Just flow. Be in that state of flowing, and it's yours. But I'm super excited, y'all. I'm super grateful, super blessed. For years of, you know, never really been able to have the stability, a place to call my own home, living with people, staying on people's couches, people putting me out, my mama doing weird ass shit. Like, it's been a long time coming, and I'm just so happy that, like, granted, I just turned 24, so just like, girl, you just started your, you know, 20s, but I'm so happy that, like, at this young age, I am able to acquire stability and maintaining it and keeping up with my stuff. And I'm just so happy because this is only the beginning for me. The next apartment I get is gonna be a skyrise, mark my words. So I'm gonna get all of my cleaning stuff out. Yes, bitch, and I do shop at Dollar General. But but yeah, so I'm about to go and put everything out and get some footage of me cleaning. So let's go and clean the new apartment.
Richer than ever, whipping a Tesla, cars, hoes, etc. Hit them with pressure, my niggas won't let up. Tell them niggas to catch up. Wake up, got $1 million in diamonds that sit on the dresser. Run up the chest, now I'm flexing my muscles. I feel like cause we come from nothing, new rollies and plaques. Fake love, it was holding them back. Flashbacks while you pouring the yacht. Since a young nigga, he just wanted to shine. Used to daydream about thumbing the racks. He tuck, it get cold in the rack. Tears fall while you loading the strap. Sitting it off, you just wanna relax. I'm richer than I ever been. Put my heart before the bag, worst shit I ever did. Gave you a second chance and you laugh again. Remember days I used to wonder will we ever win. And chasing me, reaching for the stars. See all you can be, either you gon' stop. I get like that bottom money beat the odds.
Hey y'all, so it is currently 7:40 and I don't know, I forgot what time I got started it for real, but I'm finally done. Since this was again a brand new apartment, I really didn't have to do much because everything was pretty much new, but I still went and wiped everything down, and it still was like, you know, a little dust and stuff, but it felt nice to wipe down all the doors, disinfect everything, sweep, mop, get my bubble bath ready because I'm highly thinking of taking a nice ass bubble bath tonight. I'm about to go to Walmart right now. I think I'm gonna go get a blow bit and some little body wash, some towels, and yeah, but my house is clean. It smells so good. This is my favorite Glade scent of all time, cashmere wood. If you've never tried this before, you gotta give it a try. But yeah, it's 7:42. I'm hungry as fuck. I'm really debating of going to go get a seafood boil. Should I go get a second wheel? I don't know. But the house is clean. So everything looks like now that everything is wiped down, nice and clean, swept and mopped. And yeah, everything just looks so girl la. I did put these flowers in the bathroom. I thought that was a cute touch. Like I said, it smells lovely in the bathroom. Gave this a good wipe down. Yeah, I cannot wait to decorate and really put my stuff together. I just put some toilet paper in there. And again, this leads into, oh, I did put, and look what happened to my Ugg boots. Pissed. Do y'all know how to get this out? I feel like it's it can't be bleached, but I know when I was cleaning off the tub, something splashed on it. Can y'all see that? And I don't know. I feel like I want to wipe water on it, but I don't know if that's gonna help. But the closet, everything wiped. I had to, you know, wipe all the shelves down, the bars. Everything just looks like old paint for the most part, which, you know, not that cool. The room smells so good with the little floor softener. And this, I cannot wait to create in here. Like, I'm gonna make my first million in this room. But it smells so good, it's so nice, and yeah. So this is the final everything, y'all. If you stay to the very end, we're watching this vlog, I greatly appreciate it. Please make sure you give this video a like, comment anything you enjoyed about it, subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit that bell notification because your girl is going up. I finally got my own space to thrive, to think, to create, you know, to just figure out and become the woman I know I'm destined to be. So if you want to be a part of the journey, make sure y'all hit that like button. Follow the kid on all of my social media platforms. I'll link it down below. But thank you, and your support is greatly appreciated on my channel. And I hope to see you on the next one. Bye.